CASIO Men's GW-9400-1CR. Dial window, material type mineral. Display type digital. Clasp buckle. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 5.3 centimeters. Case thickness 17 millimeters. Band material plastic. Band size men's standard. Bandwidth 22 millimeters. Band color black. Dial gray. Bezel material resin. Bezel function stationary. Calendar day date month. Special features G-Shock. Item weight 10.4 ounces. Movement quartz. I like it because it has altimeter, barometer, and compass. It's water resistant to 200 meters. I use it when I swim, bike, ride, hike. I also use for hiking. This watch can do everything.